Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings immediately. Don't browse other apps. Once Settings is open, search for Do Not Disturb or Focus using the top search field to save time. If prompted, authenticate with your passcode or fingerprint so you can change system-level controls. This prevents accidental restrictions. Make sure you're on the main settings screen, not a quick control panel, because the only way to fully disable disturb mode is through the detailed settings controls. Once you're in the Do Not Disturb or Focus section, identify the active profile and flip its main toggle to off. That's the core step. If a schedule or automation re-enables it, open Schedules or Automation and delete or disable those entries to prevent reactivation. Make sure Bedtime or Sleep mode is also off if present, because it can silently reapply Do Not Disturb. Confirm the status at the top shows inactive before moving on to notifications check. Finish by testing. Send yourself a message or call to verify banners and sounds return. If Do Not Disturb won't stay off, restart the device to clear temporary system locks, then recheck the toggle. Sometimes a reboot fixes permissions issues. If problems persist, reset Focus or Do Not Disturb settings to defaults and recreate only the profiles you need. One key tip: if schedules reappear, check any connected devices or management profiles that can push the setting back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.